say that. Thanks to VH1, I will. But because I want to keep it moody, I'm going to do it in the minor key. Ben and I once wrote a birthday song for a friend of ours called 1 Year Close to Death.
That's love right there.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.